welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys on how to create a Windows 11 theme and also how to download it to your PC. Just stay with me. I will show you two basic sites that you need to do your theme, just like mine. If you need a very beautiful theme, just like the way you are seeing on my screen right now, I will show you on how to do it. You just need two basic sites on to do this. First, you go to your Chrome browser, you open your Chrome browser, you search for 4K wallpapers, 4kwallpapers.com. Search for 4kwallpapers.com. Now on this 4kwallpapers.com, you have different wallpapers. You have different wallpapers. Now from this 4K wallpapers, you can download any of the wallpaper that you want to use to create your theme for free. It's absolutely free. You can download any of this wallpaper to create your theme. Let's say for instance that we want to create an adventure theme. You see that we have this avatar wallpaper that is here. You just click on the avatar wallpaper. You have this avatar wallpaper. Now on this avatar wallpaper, you have a similar wallpapers that are just like this one below it. You see, you have similar wallpapers like the one for the avatar. You see, you have similar wallpaper. So what you're going to do is just for you just to click download in 4K or download original version. That is, if your desktop is a 4K resolution display, you can download in 4K, or you can also download the original display that will be compatible to any resolution that you have on your PC. So let's just go with 4K. For my, I'm using 4K. Let's download 4K. Let's download this. It will download immediately. That started downloading. Then let's select another one. Let's select another one because I remember I said that the one we're going to use is just like an adventure wallpaper that we are going to use to create this theme. So let's right click on this one too. We'll download this too. This one there's no version we don't have in a 4K download, but we can just download the original one. So once you download this, you come down, you have different ones. So because of this tutorial, I'm going to use just 8 wallpaper. I'm just going to use just 8 wallpaper to do this. Now let's download this. You have downloaded 2 already. Let's download this. This is the third one. You look for another one. Let's download. You look for another one. That is 4. You look for another one. You can use more than 8 wallpapers, but for myself, I'm just using just 8 wallpapers to create this theme. You have 6 now. You need 2 more. And last one. Now you have created. Now you have downloaded this this wallpaper. You just go to your download. You create a folder. Let's create a folder for this. Let's create a folder for this. Let's name this as AVN. Let's name this as AVN T. Name this as AVNT. Then you copy all this, move it to this folder. Once you move it to this folder, you minimize this. Now you open another tab. You search for Team Beta. Team Beta. Search for teambeta.com. Teambeta.com. Now you search for teambeta.com. This teambeta.com, you see you have different teams that are already here. Now you don't use any of these one. You just go straight to the Windows. You right click. You select the Windows. Then on these windows you have different categories of wallpaper. You have the technology, you have the sports, you have the people, nature, movies, and the rest. But you're not concerned with any of these wallpaper. What you're concerned about is the team creator. You come to team creator. Once you come to team creator, on this team creator, you can as well create a team without an image, but we want to create a team that have images. But you can create a team without images. You just use the color. You just use the color to create the team. But what we are concerned about is team without images. Now you come on this drag images here or click to select. Now you come to your folder, you highlight, then you open. You see that, right? Now that you have highlighted and drop your images here, what you are going to do now is to set the time. Now you come to the slideshow interval. That is the time interval. Now on default is on 30 minutes. Now you have to change it to what the time you want the slideshow, the intervals that you want, the minutes that you want. For me, I like seeing my images to display in interval of 1 minute, if possible even 30 seconds, because I like my images. I like when using my desktop, I like seeing my the images displaying interval of 1 minute. So let's use 1 minute. Now on this one, once you just select this 1 minute, then you just name your team. You name the team as AVN. Now AVNT. Now once you name it, you can use any name that you want. You can name it, you can even give it your name. So for me, I'm just using AVN team. So once you do this, you just come to install team. Now once you click on this install team, it will download immediately. The team that you have created to download it immediately. You can see. Now we have downloaded this team. Look at the team pack here now. We have downloaded it. Now let's go to our download. Now let's install it on this PC. Now you just double click on it. It has been installed on your personalization, on your system settings. Now let's go to our system settings. Go to personalize. Now on this personalize, you see that we have different team here. You see that our team is already here. We have this team here. Let's go back to still install it. Good. Now you see that once you install it, it will immediately start displaying. That is how simple you can create your own team. You see that it's even showing the numbers of the images that are here. You can easily just create your team to personalize your system to the test and to the way you want your system to look. Now let me show you how to publish it. Now you are publishing this thing. You can as well tag your if you have a YouTube channel or a website, you can as well tag it to that the team that you have created. Now let's go back on this team. You can put it under gaming. Now you can categorize this team under gaming. Now the tag, you can put your website, or for you to get a view, or for you to get audience on your website or your YouTube channel. You can just put your URL link here. You can just tag it here, then put the description of the theme if you want. Then the theme pack, now the one that the theme you have already created, you have to upload it here. AVN theme, you just upload it here. Once you upload it, then you click on save online. So once you save it online, immediately it will take some time. Immediately you save online, it will be published to this website, and this website is absolutely free. The both websites I used to create this theme is absolutely free. You can use 4kwallpapers.com is free. You can use themebetter.com is absolutely free. So your theme has been published online. It has been published to this site. Your theme has been published to this site. Now you see, these are all the 4K wallpapers picture that you use. Now when you come to the category of gaming, under this gaming category, once you come to under this gaming category, because the theme you created, you put it under gaming category. Now you see, here we are. You see we have several gaming wall themes that has been created that are here, and yours is the recent one. The one we just created is the recent one. This is its AVN-T. So once someone click on it, it will direct them to download. You can download it. You see, you can download it. You can download it, and they can also customize. They can edit. So basically, this is just the way to create your theme for you to use it to personalize your PC. On my next tutorial, I'll be showing you guys on how to customize your PC this way. Look at how beautiful my PC is looking. Look at how the taskbar is looking and the rest. I'll be showing you on how to use this little customization on your PC. And also, if you want widgets on your desktop background, I'll also show you how to install widgets on your desktop background. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also don't forget to turn on the notification icon